we have completed our first and second chapter. Today we are going to learn third chapter, that is indices and cube root. Okay, indices and cube root. In this indices and cube root, there are some points which we need to remember. If m and n are integers, then if m and n are integers, then a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. These are the formulas, children. You have to remember it. Okay? If m and n are integers, then a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Then if a raised to m divided by a raised to n, then a raised to m minus n into b raised to m, then a raised to m into a raised to n. Then if a raised to 0, if this a raised to 0 is equal to 1, then a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. Next, a raised to m raised to power n, which is equal to a raised to mn. Okay? Now next is a upon b raised to m is equal to a raised to m upon b raised to m. Okay? Next is a upon b raised to minus m is equal to b upon a raised to m. Now here question number 1. So these are the formulas. Okay? These are the formulas. Points to remember. If m and n are integers, then these are the formulas. Do you know, everyone, what is meant by integers? Do you know what is meant by integers? Dharvi? Tanmay? What is meant by integers?
Hello, teacher.
Yes. What is meant by integers?
Add the number in the form of positive and negative and including 0.
Okay. So, Siddhi, what is meant by what is meant by integers?
Teacher, integers are the numbers on number line including positive numbers, negative numbers, and the zero.
Okay. So, integers are the numbers having positive, negative, and zero. Positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero are integers. Okay. So we have seen all these things in chapter number 1. What is mean by natural number? What is mean by whole number? What is mean by integers? So natural numbers are the all counting numbers are natural numbers which starts with 1. So 1 is the
Yes,
smallest
teacher.
number. Yes, mute yourself, everyone. Now we have seen whole number starts with 0 and the smallest whole number is 0. Then we have seen integers, so positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0 are the integers. Okay. So if m and n are integers, agar m or n integers hai, matlab positive number or negative numbers, so then agar a raised to m into a raised to n hai, to which is equal to a raised to m plus n. If a raised to m divided by a raised to n, then a raised to m minus n. If a into b raised to m is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n. If a raised to 0 is equal to 1. If a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. ये minus m का plus m हो जाएगा upon में आने के बाद. a raised to m raised to power n. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक raised to power m दिया है, उसके ऊपर भी raised to power n. So we read it as a raised to m raised to power n is equal to a raised to m n. You can read it as a raised to power m plus n. तो short में आप a raised to भी बोल सकते हो, ठीक है? It reads as a raised to power m plus n. जो भी a के ऊपर है ये powers है. A raised to power m plus n, raised to power m minus n, raised to power m, raised to power n, raised to power m, or else you can read it as a raised to m plus n. ठीक है, आप शॉर्ट में भी a raised to m plus n भी बोल सकते हो. If a raised to m raised to power n is equal to a raised to m n, a upon b raised to m is equal to a raised to m upon b raised to m. ये m जो है वो a में भी चला जाएगा, m जो है वो b में भी चला जाएगा. ब्रैकेट का मीनिंग क्या है? m is for a also, m is for b also. Here also minus m is for a also, minus m for b also. But if we want to remove this minus sign from this, so it will be inverted. It will be inverted. B upon a, B upon a. A upon b means what? It would be b upon a raised to power m. Okay, now next is question 1. Express the following number in index form. In index form. So here fifth root of 13. Fifth root of 13. So we need to write this fifth root of 13. How to write it as? Okay, that we are going to see. Now fifth root of 13 is, just a minute. Now fifth root of 13 is, fifth root of 13. So 13, first of all, if fifth root of 13 is there, so we will write 13 down, write 13 as it is. Now fifth root, ठीक है, हम इसको यूजुअली ऐसे लिखते हैं, स्क्वायर रूट है, अगर यहाँ पे डालेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा फिफ्थ रूट. बट वी डोंट वांट टू राइट इन दिस मैनर, we don't want to write this in this manner. So what we will do, okay, what we will do, we will write 13 down, and fifth root means what? 1 upon 5. So we'll write it as 1 upon 5. ठीक है, so fifth root of 13 means what? 13 will comes down, यहाँ पे 13 रहेगा at the base. 13 will write at the base, and root means what? 1 upon 5. Root means what? 1 upon 5. Similarly here, sixth root of 9. So 9 will take 9 as base. 9 as base. And sixth root, root means what? 1 upon 6. Sixth root means what? 6 means 1 upon 6. So this is the base. 13 is the base. Here 9 is the base. Sixth root means what? 1 upon 6. Now square root of 256, sorry. So 256 will be as base. 256 as base. And what we will write? Cube root means 3. So here it 3, 1 upon 3. So cube root means what? 256, as we'll write 256 as base, and cube means what? 1 upon 3. Now eighth root of 100. Eighth root of 100. So here 100 will be as base. 100 क्या रहेगा हमारा? Base. ठीक है? And eighth root means what? Eighth root means what? 1 upon 8. Eighth root क्या है वो? Just a minute. So eighth root क्या है हमारा? 1 upon 8. Okay, 1 upon 8. Now seventh root of 30. So what will be our base? Base क्या रहेगा हमारा? It will be 30. Base will be our 30. And seventh root है तो it will become 1 upon 7. 1 upon 7. See, 13th, fifth root of 13. So 13 will be as base. And 1 upon 5 will be the root. Then here sixth root of 9. So 9 will become a base, and 1 upon 6 will be the root. 256 is the base, and 1 upon 2 means square root. Sorry, square root means 1 upon 2. Cube root means 1 upon 3. Eighth root means what? 1 upon 8. And seventh root means what? 1 upon 7. So all about this root. Express the following number in index form. So fifth root of 30, sixth root of 9. So we'll write it as. ठीक है? Now next is write in the nth root of a. Now हमारा nth root of a. Nth root of a. So we need to write it as nth root of a. पहले के क्वेश्चन में हमने क्या लिखा था? रूट पहले लिखा था, ठीक है? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ, क्यूब रूट ऑफ, फिफ्थ रूट ऑफ, एथ रूट ऑफ, तो हमने इस तरह से उसको कन्वर्ट किया था, है ना, इस तरह से कन्वर्ट किया था. नाउ दिस इज गिवन, इंडेक्स इज गिवन, इंडेक्स फॉर्म ये गिवन है. इन फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, सॉरी, in first example, numbers are given, we need to convert this into an index form. हमने convert किया था index form में, अभी हमको convert करना है number form में. index form दिया हुआ है, हमको इसको nth root of a के form में लिखना है. Now here in this case 81 is the base and 1/4 is the root. So how we will write it as? Write it as fourth root of 81. This is 4 now. So this fourth root of 81. Here square root of 49. Square root of 49. Then here fifth root of 15. Fifth root of 15. And here ninth root of 512. Here 19th root of 100. And here 7th root of 6. See, 4th root of 81. Square root of 49, 5th root of 15, 9th root of 512, 19th root of 100, 7th root of 6. Okay. Now next. Now practice set 3.2. That was practice set 3.1. Okay. Express the following number in index form. Easy था practice set. और फिर उसके बाद हमने लिखा इंडेक्स का कन्वर्ट करना है हमको nth रूट ऑफ a. nth रूट ऑफ a means what? This is our nth root. This is our nth root of a. nth root of a. तो हमको ऐसे लिखना है fourth root of a. Now I will give you one question. ठीक है, and I will ask anyone. Huh? Be ready for it. So if okay, Ansh Maske, unmute yourself. Ansh Maske, unmute yourself.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, tell me the answer. Nth root of a. Nth root of a. How will you express this index form into nth root of a? This is index form. जो नंबर में दिया है वो इंडेक्स फॉर्म में है. ये जो दिया हुआ है, सॉरी, यहाँ पे जो लिखा हुआ है ये nth root of a है. So we need to convert this index form into nth root of a. How will you write it? Nth root of a. You're right. Try to say you're right.
Root of 26.
Very good. Eighth root of 26. So eighth root of 26. So how will we write it as? Eighth root of 26. Sorry.
ఎక్కడ ఖాళీ చెప్పిన
Eight.
టీచర్ ने म्हटलं ना असंच आहे म्हणजे
Yes, Ansh, mute yourself.
ओके.
Okay. So here we will write eighth root of 26. Eighth root of 26. Eighth is root of 26. Again, just a minute. I'll give you one sum. 32 1/5. Roshan Shetty. Roshan,
Yes, teacher.
how will we write beta?
Fifth root of 32.
Yes, it is
Fifth root of 32.
fifth root of 32. How will we write it as? Sorry. Fifth root of 32. Fifth. What happened? Okay, fifth
Root of 32.
Root. What is going on? Fifth root of 32. Fifth root of 32. This is fifth root of 32. Easy it is? Yes?
Yes.
It's very easy. Fifth root of 32. Now I will give you question in the nth root of a and you need to write it in the index form. Okay? Roshan, please mute
Yes.
yourself. Now I will write it as seven root of 27. Seventh root of 27. Now who will give me answer? Tanvi Verma. Tanvi.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, how will we write
Teacher.
beta? Which number will take it as base?
It's 27 upon 1, 1 upon 7.
27. We will take 27 as base. And seventh root means what?
1 and 7.
1 upon
1 upon 7.
1 upon. So this is an index form. ये क्या हो गया हमारा index form. और what is this? Nth root of a. This is the form of nth root of a. This is an index form. ठीक है? Now let's move to another practice set. Understood everyone this? How to write this nth root of a and how to write in index form. ठीक है? Now let's do another practice set. Quite interesting. Practice set 3.2. Textbook page number 16. Complete the following table. Okay. Now here the question is given. Okay. Number are given 220. 25. We have seen this 25. यहाँ पे 1/5 रहता था तो fifth root of 45. Yes. Sorry everyone. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. Now here the question is 225 3 upon 2. ठीक है? 225 3 upon 2. ठीक है? Now here we know that this is root. ये root है ना? हमको पता है ये root है. But we don't know what this 3 is. Everyone from us we know that this is root. ये 2 जो है वो root है. But we don't know this 3, what this 3 is. So this 3 is our power. ये क्या है हमारा? Power of the root. What it is known as? Power of the root. Say with me. It is power of this root. Power of this root. Very good. Okay. Now this power is what? 3. 3 means what? Cube. 3 means what? Cube. Now here, this, how we will write it as power of the root? Cube of square root of 225. Cube of the cube. This power is cube. Cube of square root of 225. Power of the root. तो सबसे पहले हम power लिखेंगे. So power of this power is what? Cube. So cube of square root of 225. ठीक है? Now here, what the power is? 4. So here we'll write fourth power of fifth root of 45. What we'll write it as? fourth power of, पहले power लिखेंगे, power क्या है हमारा? 4. Fourth power of fifth root of 45. Yes. Now here, what the power is? 6. Ishant Pandey, I have unmuted you. Now,
Yes, teacher.
how will you write it as?
Uh,
What power?
fifth root of fourth power of 40.
Sorry. Just a minute.
Yes,
In this
teacher.
example, which
Teacher,
is
third
the
one.
huh?
Teacher, third one, na 81
Yes.
6 upon 7.
6 upon
Teacher, we
7.
will write as
Huh?
6 power of 7 root of 81.
Very good. क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे? 6th power of power हमारा 6th. So we'll write it as 6th power. ठीक है? So power of the root means what? We will write first of all power. First of all, we write it as power. So 6th power of what is the root?
7th root.
7th root. Okay, so 6th power of 7th root of what? 81. Okay, so we'll write it as 6th power of 7th root of 81. 80. Understood everyone? So जब भी power of the root आता है तो हमको सबसे पहले क्या लिखना है? Power. सबसे पहले क्या लिखना है हमको? Power. So power is 6. So 6th power of 7th root of 81. Very good, Ishant. Mute yourself, beta.
Yes,
Now
teacher.
next one is 104 upon 10. 104 upon 10. So for that I will ask Jay Kharade. Yes, Jay. How will we write it as?
Fourth power of 10 root of 100.
Root of 100. Fourth power of 10th root of 100. Very good. Okay. What would be the spelling of fourth, Jay?
F-O-R-T-H.
Fourth power of 10th का spelling क्या आएगा फिर?
T-E-N-T-H.
Okay. So fourth power of 10th root of 100. Correct. Okay. Sankalp.
Yes, teacher.
Question.
Third power of 7 root of
Yes, sorry. We
Sorry.
never say third power.
cube power of 7th root of 21.
No. Cube power of cube of
Sorry.
7th root of 21. Cube of, not cube power. Cube of 7th root of 21. Okay. Now Yashvi,
Yes, teacher.
how will you write this again? Tell me.
Cube of 7th root of 21.
Yes, cube of 7th
7th root of 21.
7th root of 21. Yes, correct. Mute yourself. Okay,
Okay,
now
teacher.
next is how to write root of the power. Now, till this we have seen power of the and the power of we learn root of the power. जहाँ पे power of the root है वहाँ पे हम सबसे पहले power लिखेंगे उसके बाद root लिखेंगे. But when root of the power, so that time we will write root first and then power. ठीक है? Now here what is the root and what is the power? Just a minute. Here what is the root and what is the power? So 2 is the root and 3 is the power. So how will we write it as? Square root of cube of 225. Okay. Square root of cube of 225. Now here again we will write it as 5th root of 4th power of 45. तो जहां पे क्यूब रूट ऑफ द पावर है तो वहां पे हम सबसे पहले रूट लिखेंगे 5th root of 4th power of 45. ठीक है. Now Ayush Patil, unmute yourself.
Hello, teacher.
Yes. Now tell me the answer of this question.
Teacher, third one.
So teacher, 7th root of 6th power of
6th power of
81.
81, correct. How will we write it as? 7th root of 6th power of 81, correct. Very good. Now Shlok.
Yes, teacher.
How will we write this? 100, 4 upon 10.
10 root of
10th root of
4.
4 क्या?
4.
Fourth power. 10th root of fourth power of 100. ठीक है? 10th
Yes.
root of, this is root, this is power. So 10th root of fourth power of 100. Okay? Now Prisha.
Yes.
Prisha,
Yeah, ma'am.
unmute your. Yes. Other students, mute yourself. Prisha, unmute yourself. Okay. 21, 3 upon 7. Please help us to do with this. How will we write of the power? I cannot hear your voice, Prisha. No. I cannot hear your voice. Again, I have unmuted you. Unmute yourself. No. Okay, Pratik Shepti. Pratik, unmute yourself. Yes. Please help us to do with this 21, 3 upon 7.
Yes, teacher. 7th root of cube of 21.
Very good. 7th root of, पहले हम root लिखेंगे. 7th root of cube of 21. Correct. Very good.
Thank you, teacher.
All these sums are very easy, yes?
Yes.
All these sums are very easy. Actually, 8th standard maths is easy, right?
Yes.
Then 7th standard?
Teacher, yes.
Oh. Yes. Mute yourself. Only these questions are easy. Other questions are so difficult. जैसे आपको easy या difficult है. Please easy. Okay. Out and root of the power. Okay. So let's move to another slide. Question number 2 is, write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. Square root of 5th power of 121. Just a minute. So write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. So square root of 5th power of 121. Okay. Now ये word में दिया है, हमको लिखना है यहाँ पे numbers में. ठीक है. तो 121 we will take it as base. ठीक है. 121 will take it as base. Now Himanshu, unmute yourself. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Now which number we will take square root of 5th power of 121?
5th upon 2.
Pi upon 2. How? Because power we will write at upper side, है ना? Power हम
Yes.
up side में लिखते हैं. And then root जो है वो down side में लिखते हैं. Now square root of and 5th power of. 5th power means power we will write as to 5th power. And square root is there. Square root means what? 2. So 2 will come. So 5th power of square root of 121. Okay. Now next, mute yourself. Now cube of, mute yourself everyone. Himanshu, mute yourself. Yes. Now cube of 4th root of 324. As 324 is base. ठीक है. Power we will write as up. So cube of 4th root means root will comes down. 4th root. Cube of 4th root of 324. Then square of 5th root of 264. Then cube root of 3. Cube root of 3. Okay. I will give you one sum. Okay. You can answer me in chat box. I will see who will give me answer first. Okay. Be ready everyone. Now next, I will give you one question. Here, cube of square root of 65. Answer me in chat box. Suryanshu. Suryanshu has given me answer first. Very good, Suryanshu. Suryanshu has given me answer first. Other students are also writing very fast. Correct. Everyone's answer is correct. 65. Then cube of square root of root will comes down. Cube will comes up. Arpit, sorry, your answer is wrong. Shraddha, wrong. Ishant, correct. Yashvi, correct. Sunny, correct. Okay. Others answers are correct. Very good. Okay. So it means what? Cube of 65. Cube of square root of 65. So 65 we will take it as base. Cube of square root of 3 will comes up, and square root as root we will take down. So 65 raised to power 3 upon 2. Okay, so 3 is the power and 2 is the root. So cube of square root of 65. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, everyone is given the right answer. Okay, it's too easy. And okay. Okay. Now, sorry. Okay. Now, okay. Now 8,000. The question is, okay. The question is 8,000. 8,000 we can write it as 8 into 1,000. है ना? 8,000 को ही हम लिख सकते हैं 8 into 1,000 means what? 8,000. Now cube root of 8 is what? 2. 2 का cube मतलब 8. 1,000 का cube root है 10. See students, everyone has to remember or everyone has to learn all the cube of 2 to 10. At least 2 to 10 आपको cube आना चाहिए. For example, 2 का cube है 8. 3 का cube है 27. Okay, so everyone need to learn or has to learn cube at least from 2 to 10. In the next lecture, I will ask randomly anyone, cube of 4 is what? Cube of 6 is what? Cube of 8 is what? So you have to remember or you have to learn cube from 2 to 10. Okay, it's very essential, it's very important that you have to learn or you have to know cube from 2 to 10 and square from 2 to 20. Everyone has to know square from 2 to 20 and everyone has to know cube from 2 to 10. Okay? Now note it down in your notebook or note it down somewhere else that you have to know tables from 2 to 20. You have to know square or square root from 2 to 20 and you have to know cube from 2 to 10. Okay? Because these are the basics. Okay, if you don't know कि 1000 आपको नहीं पता अभी मैंने यहाँ पे 8 into 1000 लिखा पर you should know this कि 1000 का cube root क्या होता है. तो if we remember or if you learn the cube from 2 to 10 तो जैसे आप 1000 देखोगे आपको पता चल जाएगा अरे ये तो cube root 10 का है. Okay, so it's very essential to learn all these things. Yes. Okay, now here first of all 8,000 is equal to 8 into 1,000. So 8 means what? 2 का cube. 8 का cube root क्या है? 2. That means 2 in
Student, just wait a minute. Yes, Abhishek, sleep. Abhishek Jaiswal, sleep very, very good. Due to some network issue, teacher went out. Now she will rejoin once again. Just wait a minute. Lesson plan. Just wait a minute. 7 days, 21.